Welcome back to Mr. Scott Maths. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to find the volume of a cylinder. Now, a cylinder works like a prism in that it has a circular face that runs all the way through the shape. So to find our volume, we need to take our cross-sectional area, that is the area of the circular face, and then multiply it by the length or the height of the cylinder. So we need two key measurements. We need the radius and we need the height. So to find our volume, we are going to find the area of our circle by doing pi r squared, and we're going to multiply it by the height. So we get this formula here. Volume equals pi r squared h. Let's look at an example. In this example, we are given a radius of our circular face of 5 centimeters, and the height of our cylinder is 7 centimeters. Remember, the formula we need is volume equals pi r squared h. So we can just substitute these two numbers in. R is going to be 5 and h is going to be 7. That gives us pi times 5 squared times by 7. Now 5 squared times by 7 would give us 175. So we could write this as 175 pi. That is what we call exact form. Since pi is an irrational number, if we multiply it by 175, it will give us another irrational number as our answer, which we could then round, but if we round it, we do lose some accuracy. So we could write this in exact form of 175 pi centimeters cubed. But if we put this into our calculator, we may end up with this answer, 549.8 centimeters cubed. That is rounded to 1 decimal place. In this second example, we're given a radius of 7 centimeters and a height of 10 centimeters. So substituting into our formula, pi r squared h, we get pi times 7 squared times 10. Now 7 squared times 10 would give us 490. So in exact form, you could say this is 490 pi centimeters cubed. Or we could put this into our calculator and round our answer to 1 decimal place, and that would give us 1,539.4 centimeters cubed. In this final example, we see that we're given a length of 8 centimeters. However, this 8 centimeters is not the radius of our circle. It is in fact the diameter. So to find our radius, we need to half this, and we see our radius is actually 4 centimeters. Now we can substitute our measurements into our formula, pi r squared h. That would give us pi times 4 squared times 6. 4 squared times 6 is 96, so this could be 96 pi in exact form. We could then put it into a calculator and round our answer, and that would give us 301.6 centimeters cubed rounded to 1 decimal place.